Hi Wonder VAs, do you want to become a virtual assistant without experience? I've got you covered. Stay until the end of this video and we will show you a simple checklist to help you start your VA journey. Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Work at Home by VAME Philippines, the virtual assistant hub for aspiring and experienced virtual assistants. If you're new here, hi, my name is Blassie. I'm one of the virtual assistants focusing on social media management and marketing here at VAME Philippines. So in this channel, we always share tips and resources and hacks and everything you need to know about virtual assistant. So step 1 in this checklist is to learn the essential VA skills. Even if you're a complete beginner, you can start by learning the basic skills that most clients look for in a VA. Some must have skills including email management, calendar management, social media management, data entry, and research. The good news about this, you don't need a formal training to know these virtual assistant skills. Actually, we have created a video about this. You may check out the link on this video description to watch the 10 must-have essential skills as a virtual assistant for beginners. Step 2 in our checklist is to get familiar with VA tools. You need to learn the tools that virtual assistants use daily. And here are the 3 essentials. Task management tools like Notion, Trello, or ClickUp to stay organized. Next is Canva, great for creating simple graphics for clients. And the Google Workspace like Google Docs, Google Sheets, and Google Slides. This is really essential for VAs in creating reports, presentations, and collaborations. Familiarizing with these tools will help you boost your confidence and make you stand out when you're applying for a VA job. Next on the checklist is to set up your home office. Actually, you don't need to set up for a fancy setup workspace area, but a few essentials will help you work efficiently. So I just want to share with you my workspace before I start out. So this one is the DIY workspace that I created for myself when I was just starting out and as a beginner. So it's all DIY, it's all borrowed, even the laptop, I borrowed it, and now this is my workspace. So it's not super fancy, it's not super extravagant, but I can work efficiently and it is really functional. You must have a quiet workspace, stable internet connection, and a good headset, depending on the client's requirements. If you have these 3, you're already ready to start your VA job role. Next step on our checklist is you must have your portfolio. We already created a video about this, so it is also on our description below. So this is the video. It's about creating an online portfolio even if you don't have an experience. Yes, you heard it right. Even if you don't have an experience, you can create your online portfolio to showcase your skills. Having these ready will impress your potential clients and give you an edge. And last step is start applying for a VA job. There are a lot of platforms that you can apply to. You can look for an online job platform like Upwork, Fiverr, Online Jobs PH. You may also look for Facebook group, join VA communities for job posting. Actually, we have a Facebook group, Work From Home by VAME Philippines. This is where we post everything first. So the hiring positions, the freebies, the free webinars, everything is in there first before you see it on our social media platforms. So I'll be linking the link on our description as well. And also you can get clients through direct outreach. Even if you don't get hired right away, I encourage you to keep applying and improving your skills. Becoming a virtual assistant with no experience is possible. We'll all start from nothing. We all start from zero knowledge and experience. But if you follow this checklist, I believe that you will land on your VA job already. So you must learn VA skills, get familiar with essential tools, set up your workspace, create a simple portfolio, start applying for a job. So if you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, like and share this video, and subscribe for more resources and tips like this. And comment below, I am ready to become a virtual assistant. Thank you, Wonder VAs. See you on our next one, and always remember, you've got this.